Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the pose of your Snapchat avatar. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your Snapchat avatar. Now, select the pose and background option. After that, swipe to poses. Now, choose the pose of your choice. Once you are done, tap on the save button. And that's it. The pose of your Snapchat avatar has been changed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.